guys, Chris at iRepairDr. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the back of a Samsung Galaxy Note 8. This customer brought it in, had a broken back obviously, and they ended up picking out this like battleship gray color. It'll be pretty awesome looking once it's all redone. So let's get started. We need a couple pry tools, just like all the other ones. Maybe these plastic ones, some guitar picks, some metal pry tools is what I prefer. Start by warming it up. You don't want it too hot to the touch, you just want it warm. You don't want to melt anything inside the phone. I'm going to try with this metal first. Just trying to get it up away from the edge as best I can so it'll help lift it off, because we're going to open it this way. So the side is pretty free. Add a little bit more heat to it. Then we'll start working the bottom and the top. This side wasn't busted up, so it might come off a little bit easier. Your back glass removal is going to be a little bit different than mine, because just the way they break. Turn the phone back on. Alright, so we got the bottom free, the side pretty free. We can start working the top here. I'll probably turn it off from now on 5 times. curve on the phone. There it goes. Kind of stick them in there to help prop it up a little bit, but not put too much pressure on the broken screen. Because right here is that fingerprint scanner, and it connects kind of close to the edge. You can see down in there, but I'm slowly trying to separate that glue. If you look down there, you can see the flex cable way down on the bottom here. Double check it's off. I gotta try to get this edge up. Just trying to be very careful because I don't want to cut that flex cable, and it's pretty shallow onto the edge. Damn it, I just turned it on. Alright, I popped it off. So I put the phone off to one side. As you can see, this plate on our new one here comes pre-installed. All we have to do is swap over the fingerprint scanner. Should be pretty easy. Let me clean up this mess. All right. We're gonna heat it ever so lightly, not too bad, you know, not too hot, because you melt this thing and you're really screwed. So it was able to come off clean. We're just gonna transport it right over to the new one, and just like that, it's all set. So now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to really look over the edge of this phone. Make sure that we have all the little tiny little pieces of glass off of there. you know, everything, it has to be super clean. All the glue has to be come off. There can't be any glass, because we got to put this down and there's a piece of glass. It won't sit down correctly and it'll probably break again, like instantly. Ours thankfully came off pretty clean. So what I'm going to do is add a little bit more adhesive around here. And then I'm going to put the screen down. So basically it comes with pre-installed adhesive. And if yours is feeling like it's lifting, you know, stick it down like this before you go to put it on. Make sure it's stuck good to the piece of glass. So what I'm going to do is take a little bit of this. So what I'm going to do is take a little bit of this cell phone tape, put it basically a little bit on the inside edge around the device, and give it just a little bit more adhesion power, because we all like power. If your back glass was pretty broken, you know, before we started this, and your lens is broken and stuff, you may want to turn your phone on, get a can of air duster or whatever, and check your back cameras, because now's the time to make sure that there's no little pieces of glass and stuff stuck down in there that could possibly make your camera not focus. So I'm going to check this one. Everything looks good. Okay, so after we confirm that our cameras are still working good, no glasses down in there, they're focusing fine, I'm gonna go ahead again and double check the entire edge, making sure that there's no pieces of glass. And if there are pieces of glass, you're gonna probably have to take a Q-tip and some alcohol, light, like rubbing alcohol, lightly put it around the edge and clean it up. It has to be clean. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pull off my extra tape. Then we're going to go here, remove the protective film. And then peel off the back. See, it did come up a little bit. So once you got it peeled off, now is going to be the tricky part where you're not going to want to set it down, because you still got to plug this in. But if you set it in from the left side, line up the left side, you can kind of come over this way and plug back in. Once you got it plugged in, you just ever so easily push it down, making sure it's seated very well. It feels tight. what I like to do is add a little bit more heat to it again. Reactivate that glue. Once it's warmed up a little bit, it'll reactivate that glue and you're good to go. So just like that, we replaced the back glass on a Samsung Galaxy Note 8. So if this video helped you out, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. With this, again, it's not a waterproof 100% feature, so I wouldn't trust the waterproof. I don't even know if this phone is waterproof, to be honest with you, but if it is, once the back's broken, chances are it's not anymore. So again, any questions or comments, please leave them down in the bottom, and like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.